Get ready to toast to an epic student life at Cromwell Court, Salford, where your academic dreams take flight. Step into a world of comfort with a variety of living options, from stylish non-ensuites to chic ensuites and modern studios, all designed with your needs in mind. Fully furnished and brimming with amenities, Cromwell Court ensures you'll never miss a beat. Need a breather? Stroll through the on-site garden and soak up some fresh air. Kick back with your favorite movie on the TV after a long day of studying. Plus, with utility bills included, living here is as easy on your pocket as it is on your lifestyle. Forget the stress of commuting, you're just a short drive away from the University of Salford and DB's Institute Manchester. Satisfy your cravings at Ho Ye Chippy or grab a quick bite of pizza at Central. For essentials, Boozemart Limited is just a walk away. And with Cromwell Road or Langley Road South close by, getting around the city is a breeze. So why wait? Book your spot at Cromwell Court, Salford, and let the adventure begin. Head over to amberstudent.com today and secure your dream student home.